everyone, I'm Abby, and welcome back to OneCodeCamp channel. Today we are going to learn how to reveal NFTs after mint. We are going to use our NFT smart contract and add a reveal function for those who want to reveal the real NFTs after everyone has minted. Let's go! So why do we want to reveal NFTs at a later time? That's because we don't want anyone to take advantage and minting only the rare NFTs. We want to have a fair minting process, and once all NFTs have been minted, that's the only time that we will reveal the NFT. Okay, so the first thing that we will do is create the metadata for the NFT that has yet to be revealed. So this will be like a card facing down that somehow tells the user that this will be revealed at a later time. So let's head to endpoint.io and we will create the metadata for that. Now let's edit this and have a name. Then we'll name it OneCodeCamp. And then the image. We will get to this later. And the description, which will be something like full NFTs coming your way. All right, and then let's create the image. We will be using an AI image generator, specifically Starry AI, and we will create an art or illustrations. Claim our credits first, and then create. This is just creating a simple card facing down. This is what we will be using for now. Okay, so let's wait for that. And there you go. We can download these images. Let's go to this folder and extract our files. All right, so we will head on to our file explorer and put it inside a folder. Okay, so let's just click on document and arrange it in our documents folder. So let's create a new folder that will be reveal, something like that. You can name it anything you want. Right, and then let's just put one image inside of here, and we will head on over to Pinata IPFS and add our folder for the unrevealed or hidden NFT right here. And let's look for that. Let's upload, and let's just simply name this image 1, img 1. Okay, and then hit upload. Then now we can put it right here. Let's just copy the CID and type the URI right here in our image. IPFS, then the CID. There you go. And 1.png. Can't save it, something is wrong, so let's look for something that's missing or something wrong here. Oh yeah, we are lacking a colon right here, so let's put a colon and save. Right, and then this is our URI. This is the link right here, and you will be able to see that this is the image that the users will see before the NFT will be revealed. So now let's head on over to Open Zeppelin Wizard, and here we are going to make use of this to create our NFT smart contract. We will use the link that we have copied as our base URI. And then let's make it mintable and auto-increment IDs. Now let's copy this whole code and head over to Remix Let's wait for that to load. And here we are going to create a new workspace. So create workspace. So let's make it blank and name it NFT reveal. Now let's create a new file and let's name it NFT reveal.sol. And there you go. Paste the code. And you will notice that a pasted code alert will pop up. It's just asking us to be aware of the code that we are copying and pasting from the internet. And if you understand it, you can just click on OK. All right. And the first thing that we need to do right here is create a new variable right here called base URI. So it is a string public base URI. This is what we do or what we use. And we will change this later on when we do the reveal. So let's copy the link right here. And that's what we will assign for the base URI. And here we will just simply return the base URI. Now we will have an error. So let's check the error right here. So it is declared as pure. So this should be U instead of pure. Okay, let us change this one. Make it view. So let's close these folders for now and compile our work. And before anything, another thing that we have to make sure is that our token ID starts from 1 instead of 0. So compile that again. And we will try to deploy it right now. So I'll just check on some things. And let's see if we can deploy it. There you go. Once you have deployed it, we can see that if we click the base URI, it will return us this value. And if we try to see the token URI for ID1, it gives us an error since we haven't minted any NFTs yet. So let's go ahead and mint. And let's head over up here and copy our address. Paste it here and mint. Then if we check the token URI, it says here that the token ID 1. However, we should put as / before the 1 so that we won't have any errors along the way. So let's do that and delete this one and redeploy that edited smart contract. So let's do that all over again. See, so we have an error. We haven't minted anything yet, so let's mint right now. Okay. And if we check that, there you go. It returns us the base URI / and then the token ID, which is 1. Okay, so what we will do is while everything hasn't been minted yet and everything is still hidden, we will give the users the same token URI, which is a hidden file, which only contains the name, image that is like a hidden card, and a description that this is yet to be revealed. So make sure that we don't put the revealed files in this metadata. And what we can do is create copies of this. Like for example, you have 10,000 NFTs. So you make 10,000 copies and then save it in a folder and upload it. Another way is we can have a variable which checks whether we have revealed the NFTs or not. And if we have revealed it, that is the only time when the token URI should return us with the corresponding ID and the revealed NFT. So how do we change the base URI? We can create a function called change base URI, which will be a string, memory, and base URI underscore, and it will be a public function that only the owner can call. Then this function will set base URI to base URI underscore. And this is how we will change the base URI. And we can see that this is the CID and the slash. And what we currently see when we click the token URI is the base URI plus the token ID. However, I don't want that to happen, and what I only want people to see is the base URI no matter what their token ID is. So to do that, let's create another variable which will be boolean, public, and revealed as a value, and it will be initially false, since we don't want it to be revealed just yet. Then let's create another function, change revealed, which will be public, and only the owner can call. Then it changed the value of revealed to underscore revealed. Now, let's take a look at the token URI method. And we will simply copy this method and paste it over here. Now here, this one checks for the base URI and it returns something. The length is greater than 0, and then it adds the token ID at the end. Otherwise, it returns an empty string. Then here, we will check if it is revealed. We have an if statement here, and if it is revealed, we will return the value just like this. And else, meaning it is not yet revealed, we are going to return the string of abi.encodeBacked, and in here we need the underscore base URI. Now we have a warning since we are trying to add the base URI again. So let's change this one and add an underscore and take it out from the if condition and make this base URI underscore as well. Okay, there's still an error because we added .toString over here, so let's remove that for now. And now it compiles perfectly. We can redeploy this. Delete this first and deploy. And check the base URI. Okay, that's perfect. Now let's mint again. Copy that over here and save mint. Then check the token URI for ID1. Now it returned us this endpoint or URI. The revealed is false. And if we try minting once more, let's do that. And change the token ID to 2, it will still return us the same URI. So everyone will have this link at the start when the reveal is not yet happening. The next thing that we will do before changing or revealing is that we will change the base URI and then change the reveal. So for tutorial purposes, I will only show you one NFT that I've created before. And let's go to Pinata, add files and folder, then I will select the previous metadata that I have created before. So let me just check it in my File Explorer to make sure that I am uploading the correct folder. So this is the one, and let's look for that. And this is the one right here. So upload and upload again. And let's name it metadata 1. Upload. Okay, so let's check that one. This is the content of the metadata that I have just uploaded. Let's copy this URI, paste it somewhere handy, and we will change the CID that will come from Pinata. Okay, so let us pull that up from here again. Let's go back to remix and paste it over here. Copy the CID and replace that CID over here. Let's remove the one.png and click Change Base URI. Now it is successful, and now it has changed. And if we set this to true, let's set the change revealed to true. And if we check the token URI again, it has been changed, but it says nothing after the CID. So let's check our code and see what is happening. Okay, so right here, we removed the toString. Let's add toString. And then in here is the token ID .json. Okay, and import the strings library. And we can now use the method strings.toString, which takes a uint 56, which is the token ID. Now let's compile. Delete this one and deploy this again. Let's check everything again. Base URI is correct. And then let's go ahead and mint one. Check the token URI or token ID 1. Okay, that's the same base URI. And now let's try changing the base URI. Let's copy this one. Paste it over here. And let's copy the CID of our new metadata. And copy this whole URI and paste it in the change base URI text field. Okay, and change it to true. There you go. Change base URI and so now we can see that the revealed is true. And if we check the token URI for ID1, it will now tell us that this is the revealed metadata for our NFT. But before we wrap things up, there are still a few things that we need to polish. So let's not forget that the name of our contract should be the same name as our file. And the name and the symbol should also be changed. Let's also edit this one to base URI underscore. And down here, we will add hidden.json so that even if we change the base URI, as long as change revealed hasn't been set to true yet, people will still not be able to see their minted NFTs. So we only want them to see it as we change the revealed to true. Let's see that in action. Deploy this again. Let's first change the base URI, copy the CID from Pinata, and then let's mint first. And if we check the token URI for ID1, it will say hidden.json since we haven't set the revealed to true just yet. Now, let's set it to true. And actually, let's add a / here so it will not cause any problems. And if we copy this and check this one, it now shows us the revealed content of our metadata. And there you go, guys. We have just learned how to reveal NFTs only after everything has been minted. Hope to see you again in the next video.